Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm excited to share how to import Wave accounting data to QuickBooks. So, let's get started. On the QuickBooks dashboard, click on the settings icon in the top right corner. In the Tools section, click on the Import Data option. Here, you can import data in various ways. You can import data in the form of bank data, charts of accounts, customers, invoices, and more. You can also import from other software like QuickBooks Desktop, Sage 50, or other software like these. Let's assume that we have to import customers' data of Waves into QuickBooks. Click on the drop-down arrow and choose the customer option, then click on the Import button. Next, click on Browse and upload the file you have exported from your Wave account in Excel or CSV format. Once the file is uploaded, click on the Next button. Here, map your fields with QuickBooks fields and click Next. If you sometimes face a date entry error here, re-enter the date in year, month, and date format. Once done, click on the Import button. And there you have it. Your Wave data has been imported into QuickBooks. Thanks for watching.